In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tags in Constant Contact in 2025 with a step-by-step guide. Whether you're new to this platform or just looking to streamline your contact management processes, these instructions are designed to help you tag your contacts efficiently and effectively. First, let's start at the very beginning, the web search. Open your preferred browser and type in Constant Contact into the search bar on Google. Once you've found the official site in the search results, go ahead and click to enter the Constant Contact homepage. Now that you're on the homepage, the next thing we need to do is log in to your account. Just look for that familiar login button, usually conveniently located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on Login, and you'll be prompted to enter your account credentials. Take a moment to enter your email and password to access your account. And here we are, logged in and ready to dive into our contact management tasks. On your dashboard, you'll find several options, but today our focus is on managing tags. So locate and click on the Contacts section. This is where we will do the magic of tagging. Once you're in the Contacts section, go through your list and find the specific contact you would like to assign a tag to. When you've found that contact, click on it to proceed. This will open up more detailed information about your contact, allowing you to make the necessary edits. Now look for the Edit Contact option. By clicking on it, you'll be enabled to modify an array of fields related to your contact, including tags. This is particularly useful for organizing your email list and ensuring you're sending the right communications to the right people. When you're in the editing mode, you'll have the opportunity to select the desired tag for your contact. Tags work like labels. They help you categorize and segment your contacts based on various attributes or interests. This powerful tool allows for more targeted and effective email marketing campaigns. After selecting the appropriate tag you wish to associate with your contact, we move on to the last and crucial step, saving your changes. Look for the Save button and click it. This will ensure that all the edits you just made to the contact's information are stored and ready for you to take advantage of. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to using tags in Constant Contact for 2025. By following these steps, you can keep your contacts organized and ensure your communication efforts are both meaningful and effective. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.